Hello my beautiful beauty babes. It's me, Asia. If this is your first time to my channel, if this is not your first time to my channel, hey guys. Oh, what did I do to my face? Oh! Who remembers that song? I can't believe I just sang all of that. Anyways, I used to be able to do it faster when I was younger. Don't judge me. Yes, my shirt is on backwards. I am unapologetic about that. Earlier, I did this look. Remember, the true testament of makeup is not how it looks, not only how it looks when it's first applied, but also how it looks at the end of the day. It still looks good. I'm happy to see that my blush is still on my face, but in this video right here, I'm going to show you guys how I take off, or I'm going to be taking off my makeup using some new products that I've gotten that I really want to share with you guys, most of which are from PIXI. I love PIXI. I got a little thing from PIXI. I can't help it. If you want to see how I did this face, then just click on that link right here, or the link. I honestly, I don't remember. After all these years, I just don't remember what side of the screen that it's on, but just go ahead and click on that link and you will be able to see how I got this look. And yeah, so yeah, because I just don't like talking while I'm doing stuff, because otherwise it make it for a really long video. I'm going to let you guys enjoy how I use these products so you can see whether or not they're things that you want to purchase yourselves. If you have any questions for me, leave them down below in the comment section and I will make sure to get to them. I do enjoy reading all of your comments, which, you know, right now I'm not so overwhelmed because I can read them all. So I will see you guys a little later in this video with a little less makeup and a little more, yeah, I didn't think that through. Just go on and watch the video. Alright guys, those are some new products that I think should be in stores. If not, they are online. These are from PIXI, which I absolutely love the company. I mean, I got some favorites, you know. These, I have actually been using the Hydrating Milky Makeup Remover for a little while, as you can see, because most of it or some of it's gone. I think I'm going to be picking this up a lot. It's interesting to me because I love their Milky Mist. For them to have the Milky Makeup Remover is just amazing. All right. One of the questions that I had was, why do brands come out with so many different types of the same product? And the answer that was given to me by my boo thing, Ashley, was, you know, you think about all the different ways that we could use these products and when we're going to use them. And for some makeup artists, it's a lot easier to take something like this with them in their kit rather than something like this. I love the double cleanse because I don't have to actually, I have a whole video that talks, well, not the entire video, but I have a video that talks about the double cleanse. If you want to see it, click the link. It'll tell you a little bit more about why this is one of my favorite products for removing makeup, but you guys saw me demonstrate it. But it does make sense that a company, even one like PIXI, would come out with different types of makeup removers. Like, for example, they also have these lash nourishing makeup remover pads, which has panthenol inside of them that helps to stimulate lash growth. I like the size of the pads. I don't remember if I talked about them in a video, but I love the size of the pads because when I've worked with different brands and I'm doing a shoot from the beginning of the morning all the way to the nighttime, sometimes different eye looks, I need a remover that's not going to mess up my base, and something like this is perfect to lay on the eye and remove the makeup also without even removing my brows, which is amazing. I didn't think I was gonna like this at first, but once you start using it and you see the different ways that you can use it and how it comes in handy, you realize that having multiple products for removing makeup in different forms is of a benefit to a company. So PIXI, good job. And I'm not just saying that because I love the company. I'm saying it because I genuinely love the products. The Milky Makeup Remover does not take off. It's supposed to take, is it supposed to take off waterproof? Hold on, let me see. It says it removes waterproof and long wear, eye, lip wear, etc. But I've tried it on some products like Maybelline's Superstay, and Maybelline Superstay don't go nowhere. Neither of these are able to take it off. The only thing that takes it off is the double cleanse because it has that oil which lifts off everything. If you ever find a makeup remover that's not removing anything, oil based, does it all of the top. This removes everything. This removes, the Milky Cleanser removes well, but I find that I still have a little bit of liner residue on my lid space, and so I know that, you know, if I'm like just at home or whatever, then it's not really a big idea. And that could also not even be because of the makeup remover. It could be because maybe I'm not leaving it on my eye long enough. I also find that I don't really have irritation in my eyes when I use any of these. As you guys can see in the video, I could open my eyes just fine. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling because I could ramble on forever and ever. I love the products, and some of these I use all the time. If you find that these are items that you want to purchase, you can find them online at I think it's PIXIBeauty.com or Pixi.com, or you could also find them in Target stores. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave me questions down below. If you like this video, then give me a giant thumbs up, and if you did not like this video, you give me a thumbs down. That's okay, because a thumbs down is just a thumbs up upside down. And what else? I forgot to say it in the last video, but I won't forget it now. Did I tell you that you matter? You do. All right, make sure you subscribe, y'all. Why, guys?
Because it's the right thing to do.
They didn't sound very happy. Subscribe, y'all.
Because it's the right thing to do.
It's the right thing to do. Bye, guys. Come me out, honor. 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 Hey. 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 Hey.